Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad sitting nicely. A lot of people keep saying, yo, stop talking about the $1 to $3 price prediction. How many times do I have to explain circulating market cap and fully diluted market cap, man? I mean, it's not that crazy complex, right? It's not that crazy to think about, right? A lot of people are thinking because, the max supply of Monad is 100 billion. That means it has to get to 100 billion for $1, which is not the case. It only has to get to whatever the circulating supply is at that present time, right? So right now, Monad is sitting at 2814 cent, 305 million in market cap. I'm gonna have to start off the video explaining why Monad could actually hit $1 to $3, right? Circulating market cap, circulating supply is 10.83 billion circulating supply. And you might be like, well, JY, or well, Crypto Spaces, my nickname is JY. Well, Crypto Spaces, why would you use the circulating supply when that there's token unlocks that changes as more supplies released into the market? Well, guy that's asking, there's no massive unlock until November 2026, the end of this year. So you don't think Monad can make a crazy run in a year's time with 2026 being bullish, right? As long as the 4-year cycle is broken, right? I mean, even if the 4-year cycle isn't broken, like I showed you guys in a video, Benjamin Cowan, one of the smartest guys in the space, has said there's always outliers in the midterm years. And I've stated, I think Monad is an outlier in this midterm year. So it doesn't even matter if we break the 4-year cycle or not. People want to make money in the space, and they're going to bet on projects that have massive potential. We have people from TradFi, institutional investors, on CNBC saying they bought Monad at 2 cents. Who am I to bet against somebody who's richer than me? More than likely smarter than me, with a company of multiple people agreeing, hey, we are smart, rich people. We think Monad at 2 cents is a great buy. We're going to invest in it. Who am I to bet against that, right? I'm not. We have Don Alt, like I said in the video as well. Don Alt, great trader, doesn't talk about crap coins. He only talk about majors, big projects, right? The ones that are, proven, right? He also thinks Monad will be the best performer this year. So who's to say Monad can't get to 10.83 billion market cap this year before the circulating supply fully unlocks and changes, right? Who's to say it can't? As long as this circulating supply for Monad doesn't increase dramatically before 2026, right? Because I'm sure they're going to be smaller unlocks. But as long as it doesn't increase dramatically, the chance for it to hit $1 to $3 is very possible, right? And remember, this is going by how CoinMarketCap ranks projects. CoinMarketCap does not rank by the fully diluted market cap. How many times do I have to say this, right? It doesn't rank by the fully diluted market cap. It shows the circulating market cap. This is why you don't see Monad, because look at the FDV for Monad, right? This is why you don't see Monad at 2.8 billion in market cap here. You're seeing the 305 million market cap, right? Number 133. Monad number 133, 305 million market cap. So when Monad gets to a billion circulating market cap, right, that would put Monad in the top 100, right? Let's go to the top 100, because this is page 2. This is the top 100 to 200 that Monad is in, rank 130, right? When Monad gets to a billion market cap in circulating, you're going to see Monad up here next to Bonk and Fleer and VeChain, right? And then all Monad has to do is get above Chainlink to get to $1 from here. You don't think Monad could get above Chainlink? Chainlink is a oracle on Ethereum, right? Chainlink is an oracle on Ethereum. Great tech, great use case. But with Monad, this is one of the best layer ones we've ever seen, right? Even better than Solana as far as execution layer, being EVM as well. Even better than Solana. You don't think Monad could get above Chainlink in market cap from circulating market cap from here? 300 mil to 11 billion. 300 million to 11 billion. You don't think Monad could do that, right? I think it could do it, and I think it could do it in a year's time. Now, if it doesn't do it in a year's time, okay, I'll have to reassess. But until we get there, these are my price predictions. These are my price targets, right? So You know, Monad looking fantastic. Let's take a look at some tweets real quick. Let's see what people got to say on X. See what people got to say on X about the gem that is Monad, the altcoin gem that could save some portfolios out here. Yo, these people be clickbaiting people. I thought this they really be clickbaiting people out here, man. Crazy. Let's see. Okay, nice tweet right here. State of Monad after 1 month. DeFi Warhol. Okay, I'm gonna give him a follow. So they just cover everything DeFi. So 422 million in TVL is up for Monad. 450 million in stablecoin market cap. 3.8k chain fees. 4k app fees. 9.4 million DEX volume. 94 million, not 9.4. 94 million in DEX volume up. Right? TPS 70 live transaction per second. TPS block times 400 milliseconds. Mine is still 8% above the TGE price. What I'm most interested in here is that the DEX volume is up. That means people are actually using Monad and actually trading on Monad. So that's super bullish, because that's what led to Solana's success, where people, you know, started to buy NFTs and trade it and stuff like that. Solana's first cycle was more NFT driven, right? And its second cycle was more meme coin driven, right? So that's bullish, man. That's very bullish. So from peak, as long as Monad stays above 208, we could see a bullish move towards 3 cents to 3.5 cents. Very realistic. We are at a massive consolidation area here for Mon, and it will test 3 cent as resistance. So once we break that 3 cent area, it's truly off to the races. Monad has developed or already developed a clear divergences on the daily chart. As a rough target for Monad, I still have 13 cents marked, which will be roughly a 370% move from current levels. I think it makes sense to allocate small portions of the portfolio here, right? So this Crypto Wave Vision thinks a 13 cent Monad is on the cards, but again, I think it goes higher. I don't know why people have such low like targets and valuations for projects. This is crypto, man. If I was just here for a 370% gain, I'd just go to the stock market. Why would I be here? I don't need to be in crypto for a 370% gain, right? I'd go to the stock market. So I think, again, 13 cents is one of the first targets we're going to see from Monad. And then that's going to really inspire a lot more confidence for the push to 50 cents to $1, if not $2 to $3 in the future. And I'm sticking with that, man. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Truly appreciate the support. You guys are fantastic. None of this is financial advice, and I'll catch you in the next one.